Happy Saturday, everyone. How is everyone doing? Hope you had a great, productive week, and hope you're chilling for the weekend. Okay, Mrs. O is going to try to prep her some salads. I don't like cutting up romaine lettuce every day and make a salad every day. So in order for me to eat salads, I have to prep at least 2 or 3. That way I can get them in. So I'm going to do a romaine lettuce salad. And I'll just show you what I put in mine, and I'll also show you how I prep them. All right. So here I have 2 eggs, of course, that I'm going to hard boil. Here I have some organic romaine lettuce, which I love the romaine. I like it better than iceberg. So this is the lettuce I will be using for my salads. Also, I have vine ripened tomatoes, which I love. They have really extraordinary flavor. Here I have a red onion. Love red onions in my salad. You can omit this if you don't like red onions. Also, I have some mild cheddar. And also, I love, if you guys have never tried it, try Feta cheese in your salad. It is so delicious. And I have a rotisserie chicken, which I'm going to use the breast part of it, of this rotisserie chicken, which is already seasoned, which would be great. All right, so I'm going to prep everything down. Then I'll come back and show you how I put them together. Also, I'm only going to do 2. If I decide to do 2 more later on in the week, I'm going to use salmon. All right, let me get everything prepped. Let's proceed to cut up the romaine lettuce. You notice I left this tip on so that way I can cut straight through. So this is how I do it. I don't like big lettuce. So just go like this. And please make sure you have a salad spinner so you can make sure your lettuce is dry. Okay, then you're just going to take it like this and just chop it up. You see that? Now if you like big lettuce, you don't have to do it this way, but I don't. And then we're just going to chop it closer to the end. And this is how your romaine lettuce will look. Let's do the red onion and the tomato. I like to slice the red onion really thin and then just spread it out for my salad. Now you can use more red onion or you can just omit it. I like red onion in my salad. Trying to get it as thin as possible. Okay, these gloves is not really helping me to hold this onion, so I'll stop here. All right, you see how thin that is? This is how I want it for my salad. We're just going to pull it apart like that. All right, let's do the tomato. I took the hull out of the tomato. I'm going to slice it in half. And then I'm just going to go like this. Sorry. Again, I want my tomato sliced like my onion. And make sure your knife is sharp, okay? All right. Now, I don't know if this is going to be safe, so let me do it this way. Yep, I'm smashing it. So we'll just go with this right here. You see? I want my tomato sliced like my onion. All right. When I come back, we'll put the prep salads together. I've already did the chicken because it's a rotisserie chicken, And remember, I just used the breast part of it. Okay, let's prep one of our salads. I have all of the things that I'm going to put on the salad already cut up. And I would say wait till you get ready to eat your salad if you're going to add salt and pepper. All right? So here's the romaine lettuce. All right. Next, we're going to add the chicken. This is the rotisserie chicken. Now, we want quite a bit of chicken, right? Okay. Let's do our eggs. I just rounded them off. You can dice them if you like. I just like nice chunks of eggs. All right. Now let's do our red onions. And lastly, let's do our tomatoes. Again, salt and pepper once you get ready to eat your salad. All right. Mrs. O has showed you how to prep your salads. Try to eat at least 2 salads a day. Oh, forgot about the feta. I decided not to use the cheddar. I like the feta better. Haha, feta better. And the dressing of your choice. All right. Thank you guys for watching. And I will be back this weekend to do another video. If you like my content, please share and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell where you can be notified every time I upload. Stay safe. God bless you. And remember, out of everything we do, put God first.